Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna be making some pizza. Yeah, because who does not like pizza? And if anybody does not like pizza, I don't want to know them. Never ever. So in this video, we're gonna be making some pizza. You heard me right, but now you'll be wondering, we're making pizza. Why are we outside our apartment? Well, I'll tell you why we're outside our apartment. Because we have got some competition.
A big one.
Yeah. So today we were gonna make some pizza. You wanna know who arrived? Look, yes, you heard me right. That's the Domino's truck van. So apparently the Domino's, they sent a Domino's food truck to our apartment, and the reason I'm standing very far is because I don't want to get infected. So I'll just zoom in. So the day when we wanted to film and make a video about making pizza, these people showed up. So now I guess we have a competition. So we will see whose pizza is better. Is it going to be ours or Domino's? So yeah, we got a big competition, and I have some photos of Domino's pizza. So we will be comparing our pizzas at the end, and I know you all are hungry for pizza, so smash the subscribe and like button to get some free pizzas during your dream.
Yeah.
Now let's see you at the kitchen, I guess. Yeah, see you at the kitchen. Bye, guys. So guys, now we have arrived back home, and here are all the ingredients for our pizza.
Yes.
I'm sure we can make the best pizza in the world, better than Domino's.
Yes.
Smush Domino's. So let's start with the ingredients.
Okay guys, this is pizza base. We will have to put everything on this, so this is first. And over here we have cottage cheese, which is also called as paneer. And now we have some yummy, very cheesy sauce. And now we have pizza or even pasta sauce. This is some plain cheese spread. And here we have whole green olives for the pizza topping. We have many spices here. This one is basil, oregano, mixed herbs, and these are red chili flakes. And it is even written that they are wonder hot.
Oh wait, you forgot this. Everybody, this is some sliced jalapenos.
And
There you
they're
go.
very good.
I love jalapenos.
Now we've got cheddar cheese. It is used in pizzas, but we don't use a whole block. And then here we have much more toppings. We have baby corn, capsicum, and chicken, as we are making a chicken pizza. And here is some mozzarella cheese. This is used much more in the pizza.
So guys, now we are going to
make our
pizza!
Yeah.
So guys, now we're going to preheat the microwave, and we will see you all after the microwave is preheated. This looks so good. Okay, let's take it in the plate. So this is the pizza we made. We have added all the toppings and just arranged it, and we have baked it. So now we are going to do the taste reveal, TTR. So guys, my parents and my father and mother have also made a pizza in the traditional way in the oven. So let's take a look at the pizza. Whoa! Well, this is awesome! Wow, just take a look to see it, guys. It's a smoky pizza, smoky and crispy. And yes, So guys, here is our pizza. It's all done. It smells awesome.
And it is absolutely going to be yummy.
So now guys, we are going to sprinkle our chili flakes and oregano.
Yes.
So
Very
let's try.
nice.
I'm gonna awesome spicy. That's dude barking right there. If y'all don't know who Dude is, he's our dog. You can see our
done.
video. So here's our pizza. Now we're gonna just cut it. Wow, the cheese is so easy.
So good.
It's so satisfying to cut it. Okay, now.
Now
after
my
this,
turn.
You should not pull it, please. Okay, this side. Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Now, let's have a bite and do the TTR.
Taste test reveal.
Ooh. I think I'm gonna do this piece first because it looks the best. Oh, look at this. Cool.
This is my slice.
Now, here is our bite.
Awesome.
It's so good.
It's getting chicken on the first bite.
This is so cheesy. It's soft and awesome. Oh, this is the end of the video.
Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share so that this can get more views.
And don't forget to make pizza at home or else you might go crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye bye.